In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sentence mining database in Notion for language learning. Sentence mining is a powerful way to learn a new language because you collect real examples of vocabulary and grammar in context. Instead of memorizing isolated words, you build a personal library of sentences that actually matter to you. In this tutorial, we'll set up the foundation for that library using Notion's templates, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and go to your main workspace. At the top or in the sidebar, look for the option that takes you to the Notion Marketplace. This is where other users and the Notion team share templates you can reuse. Click on Marketplace to open it. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a page full of categories and suggested templates. Next, we want to narrow this down to language-related templates. In the search bar at the top of the Marketplace page, type in language learning. Make sure you spell it clearly and then press enter. Notion will now filter the results and show you templates that are designed for studying languages, tracking vocabulary, or organizing practice materials. This is exactly what we're looking for to build a sentence mining database. Once the results appear, take a moment to scroll through and look for a template that matches your style. You might see vocabulary trackers, study dashboards, or full language learning systems. Choose one that has a database structure where you can add individual entries, ideally with columns like sentence, translation, notes, or source. You don't have to worry about it being perfect right away because you can always customize it later. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the detailed view, then review the preview to make sure it fits your needs. When you're happy with your choice, look for the button that allows you to add the template to your workspace. It might say add, duplicate, or something similar, but the idea is the same. You're copying this template into your own Notion space so you can edit it freely. Click on add, and Notion will create a new page or database in your workspace based on that template. From here, you'll have a ready-made structure where you can start inputting sentences you encounter from books, shows, conversations, or apps, and gradually turn it into a powerful sentence mining database tailored to your language learning journey.